a standardized threshold approach for outlier detection using Python algorithms. Outliers are unusual data points that stand out from the rest of the data, often indicating errors, anomalies, or important hidden patterns. Detecting these outliers accurately is crucial in many fields, such as fraud detection, cybersecurity, and quality control. However, many standard outlier detection methods in Python use fixed thresholds, which may not work well for all types of datasets. This study explores how adjusting these thresholds can improve outlier detection, making it more precise and adaptable to different kinds of data. The problem with standard thresholds. Most Python-based outlier detection algorithms use default threshold settings, like 0.1 to 2.5, to decide whether a data point is an outlier. However, these fixed values may not be the best fit for every dataset. Some datasets might have natural variations that require a more flexible approach. This study investigates whether modifying these thresholds can lead to better, more consistent results across different datasets. A new approach, mean-median threshold. Instead of relying on fixed thresholds, this research tested a new formula, mean-median. The mean, average, and median, middle value, help understand how data is distributed. If they differ significantly, it suggests that outliers might be pulling the average away from the center. By using this difference as a threshold, the study found that outlier detection became more accurate and generalized across various datasets. Adjusting quartile thresholds for better detection. Another common method for detecting outliers is using quartiles, Q1 median, Q3, which split data into 4 parts. Normally, outliers are identified as values below Q1, 25%, or above Q3, 75%. However, this study found that adjusting these thresholds improved detection. Lower range outliers, changing Q1 from 25% to 15%, helped better identify extreme low values. Upper range outliers, shifting Q3 from 75% to 80%, improved the detection of extreme high values. These adjustments made the algorithms more sensitive to true outliers while reducing false positives. Testing the methods on sample datasets. The study used different sample datasets to compare the standard thresholds with the new approaches. The results showed that the mean-median threshold provided more consistent and precise outlier detection than fixed thresholds. Adjusting quartile thresholds, 15% for Q1 and 80% for Q3, helped isolate outliers more effectively. These findings suggest that standardizing thresholds based on data distribution, rather than using fixed values, can enhance outlier detection in real-world applications. Why this matters? Outlier detection is essential in many industries. Fraud detection, identifying unusual transactions in banking. Healthcare, detecting abnormal test results that may indicate disease. Manufacturing, spotting defects in production lines. Cybersecurity, finding suspicious network activity. By improving how thresholds are set, businesses and researchers can detect anomalies more reliably, leading to better decision-making. Future research. While this study focused on sample datasets, the methods could be applied to larger, more complex datasets in the future, including big data. Big data involves massive, fast-changing datasets that traditional outlier detection methods may struggle with. The techniques explored here, especially dynamic threshold adjustments, could help improve outlier detection in these large-scale environments. Conclusion. This research demonstrates that standardizing outlier detection thresholds in Python algorithms, using mean, median, and adjusted quartiles, can produce more accurate and generalizable results. Instead of relying on fixed values, adapting thresholds based on data distribution leads to better anomaly detection. These improvements can benefit industries that rely on clean, reliable data for critical decisions. Future work could expand these methods to even larger datasets, making outlier detection more powerful in the age of big data. This important article is authored by the following scientists:
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.